Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance End of an Era. A340 Retirement plus STARLUX and Lufthansa News. Lufthansa A340,600 Phase-Out Plan. Lufthansa, one of the last major operators of the Airbus A340-600, initially planned to retire its fleet by October 2025 but extended this to mid-2026 due to operational needs. The airline is replacing these four-engine jets with more fuel-efficient twin-engine Airbus A350-900s and Boeing 787-9s to reduce costs and emissions. A340,600 fleet status. Before the pandemic, Lufthansa operated 17 A340-600s. All were grounded in 2020 due to low demand, but 10 were reactivated in 2021 to meet rebounding long-haul travel needs. By May 2025, 2 have been sent to Teruel, Spain, for dismantling, leaving 7 active aircraft, primarily based in Frankfurt for routes to North America and Asia. A340,300 continued operations. Lufthansa remains the world's largest A340 operator, with its A340,300s serving high-demand routes from Frankfurt, such as Delhi, Mumbai, Dubai, and Chicago. These aircraft are scheduled for retirement by 2028, as Lufthansa prioritizes newer models like the A350 and 787, which offer better fuel efficiency and lower maintenance costs. Fuel efficiency driving A340 retirement. The A340's four-engine design, once ideal for long-haul flights, is now considered outdated compared to modern twinjets. Lufthansa's A340-600s and A340,300s burn significantly more fuel than competitors like the A350, prompting their gradual phase-out despite their reliability on long routes over restrictive airspace. Lufthansa Allegri's cabin rollout. Lufthansa's Allegri's program introduces upgraded cabins, including first-class suites, across its long-haul fleet. A340,600s based in Frankfurt will retain first-class cabins until retirement, offering a premium experience on routes like Frankfurt to New York. However, A340,300s will not receive Allegri's upgrades due to their shorter remaining service life. STARLUX A350 freighter expansion. In January 2025, STARLUX Airlines, a Taiwan-based carrier, doubled its Airbus A350F freighter order from 5 to 10 aircraft. These freighters, expected to enter service by 2028, will support STARLUX's ambition to become a key cargo player on routes like Taipei to North America and Europe, leveraging the A350F's 109-ton payload capacity. STARLUX passenger fleet growth. STARLUX operates a modern fleet of 26 Airbus aircraft, including 8 A350,900s for passenger services. These aircraft feature luxurious cabins, with 4 first-class suites and 26 business-class seats, serving long-haul routes like Taipei to Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle, positioning STARLUX as a premium boutique airline. STARLUX award redemption opportunities. Through its partnership with Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan, STARLUX offers attractive award redemption rates for its premium cabins, with business-class seats on trans-Pacific flights costing 75,000 to 85,000 miles one way. The airline's lack of Global Alliance membership limits connectivity but enhances award availability for point-to-point travelers. Lufthansa A340 incident highlights risks. In May 2025, a Lufthansa A340,313 DAIGV, operating as LH401 from New York JFK to Frankfurt, experienced an engine failure and hydraulic issues over the Atlantic, forcing a return to JFK. This incident underscores the maintenance challenges of operating an aging A340 fleet, reinforcing Lufthansa's retirement timeline. Lufthansa's broader fleet strategy. Beyond A340 retirements, Lufthansa is modernizing its fleet with 23 A350-900s already in service and more on order, alongside Boeing 787-9s and 777-9s. The airline plans to phase out older A330s, A340s, and 747-400s by 2028, while retaining its A380s into the 2030s for high-density routes, aligning with sustainability and passenger experience goals. This expanded version provides more context and detail while staying focused on the latest developments. Let me know if you'd like further elaboration on any point. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.